Hey everybody, I'm El Roche and I'm coming at y'all today with a hair tutorial. Today we're gonna be washing and retwisting my baby's locks using my homemade aloe vera mix to get these beautiful results. I've done it a couple times with his hair because I have a plant at home and I ran out of my locking gel and I have been loving it so far. If you are interested too, then stay tuned. So I like to use coconut oil, tea tree oil, and peppermint oil with just about anything. These are optional. It is optional, but by all means, use your essential oils if you feel like it. And I have a plastic container, but I would say use glass. You can store this in the refrigerator for about 2 weeks after you use it. I have scissors to cut my plant, a fork to mix, a knife also to divide it and cut it. I don't know. Oh, and a spoon to scrape it. I almost forgot our main ingredient you need is aloe vera. Now you can purchase the leaves at the grocery store, whole leaves for about $2. They're really big. Or you can go ahead and have your own plant. I've been babysitting this plant for one of my friends for a while, and this aloe vera has been it's been coming and showing out for me, okay?
Mama!
Thank you.
Get it!
Thank you so much.
Please.
Baby, you be ready to call them laws. So what I'm gonna do is cut those leaves in the half, and then you're gonna go on the side and just cut the sides of the leaves. Once you do that, you're gonna take your knife and go down the middle to divide those green plants so you can have that ooey gooey goodness that's in the middle. The texture, it feels like a gel. I'm feeling it with my thumb, but there's it's kind of solid as well. So I'm just taking my spoon and just scraping all the sides of both of those thin leaves until that gel and those chunks just go into our bowl. There's a million and one ways to do this, y'all. There's a million and one ways to skin a cat, okay? This is kind of my little lazy way. Now you see those green leaves? Some people like to take those and just rub it directly on the roots of their locks to retwist, and that's a perfect option, but this is where we're left, the consistency. Once again, it's optional to use your oil, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the coconut, tea tree, and peppermint oil right in the mix, a little water as well, and we're going to mix. You can use a whisk. At first, when I first used it, I used a blender, blended it. I took it and put in a strainer to it and tried to just get all that those chunks out the mix so you could be left with just the gel. But honestly, I don't care. This knotty consistency is perfect for me, chunks and all. Put those contents into your bowl, and like I said, you can store this for up to about 2 weeks in your refrigerator. You want to work on freshly washed hair? Hey guys, if y'all don't know by now, use a cotton shirt to dry your hair, okay? Reduce that frizz, okay? Come on, y'all. I love to use Infusium 23 as a leave-in conditioner. I like working in sections too. I'm just taking a guap of that gel and we are working it through that section from the roots to the ends. And I'm also just going through and taking out any really obviously big chunks of aloe vera and putting that to the side because it's not needed. I was really worried about residue, like a lot of residual from the aloe vera in the plant, but I did not really get that at all. The way that I retwist his hair, which like I say, there's so many different ways, but I like to just use the comb to help twist It's very quick. I can get in and out. Once you get in the groove and get that flick of the wrist, can't nobody stop you. Once you get in the zone, can't nobody stop you. There are so many tutorials on YouTube to show you either palm rolling or with a comb, interlocking, using a crochet needle. It is really up to you, with you and your comfort level and your skill level, actually, to know what is proper and what's good. I don't like waiting so long in between retwisting this hair. I don't like a lot of new growth, but mama slipped. But we back on the ball now. And the end results, there we go. I'm just going through and showing that he doesn't have a lot of residue, no chunks or anything, before I put him under the hood to dry for the night and tied up with a do-rag. And here we are, the final result. The process is terrible, but the child loves it in the end. Very clean, very neat. The hair is moisturized. The hair is healthy. The aloe vera is absolutely a good gel. It holds. I encourage anybody who has locks, I encourage anybody to use aloe vera regardless, but if you do have locks, I say give it a try. It's really good. It's really healthy for your hair. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and I hope you guys found it useful as well. Thanks. Let me leave this boy alone because he's goofy right now. Say bye.
Hi.
All right. Hi, y'all.